Your sponsor at eXp is supposed to help you build revenue share. But if instead you feel like you're stranded on a desert island with nothing but a business card, stick around. Because yes, you can fix a bad eXp sponsor for revenue share without blowing up your career. So let's get to it. I'm Carrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor and eXp certified mentor and sponsor team leader, where we provide more free value than anyone else in the real estate business. We aren't kidding. Learn more at smartagentalliance.com. At Smart Agent Alliance, we've met too many agents who joined eXp full of hope, only to discover their sponsor is more ghost than guide. The good news? Between co-sponsorship and long-term fixes, you've actually got options. And we've built the systems to make sure you never have to scramble alone. Recognizing weak sponsors. Here's the first reality check. If your sponsor hasn't given you a recruiting machine, think branded websites, webinars, onboarding that actually works. They're not supporting your revenue share growth. It's simple math. Revenue share only pays when your recruits close deals. If you're left pitching eXp with zero tools, that's like performing surgery with a butter knife while our team is over there running a hospital. You don't earn a dime off of non-producers, no matter how many yeses you collect, and no matter how much of your time it costs you. And here's the kicker. Organized teams include agents who are pulling in really big numbers every month because they've got both attraction funnels and systems that help recruits succeed once they join. If your sponsor offers none of the above, you're falling behind through pretty much no fault of your own. Why bad sponsors kill income? The bottom line, a bad eXp sponsor doesn't just slow you down. They cap your entire revenue share potential. Without attraction systems and developmental support, your recruits never become FLQAs. Frontline qualifying agents. It's a domino effect. Weak attraction leads to low quality recruits. Weak onboarding means fewer of them stick. Weak production support means higher attrition. Suddenly, you've done the work but have no passive income to show for it. Competing against powerhouse teams like ours while entering Formula One with a bicycle. Technically, you're in the race. Realistically, you're roadkill. And quick pause here. If you're already nodding along because this video is giving you some clarity, do me one favor. That subscribe button. It's free, unlike bad advice, and it's the best way to tell us to keep making content that actually solves problems instead of sugarcoating them. Seriously, your support motivates us to keep pulling back the curtain. 2 ways to fix this. Okay, you've got 2 main ways to fix this, assuming you're already at eXp and you're not tickled with your upline support. If you're not yet with eXp, obviously the way to avoid this problem is to pick your sponsor wisely to begin with. Okay, back to the 2 ways to solve the problem of being at eXp already without a powerhouse sponsor team. Option 1, the nuclear option, is leaving eXp for 12 months and rejoining under a new sponsor. That resets your entire line, but it's pretty drastic. Option 2, and perhaps the less painful move, is eXp's new co-sponsor program. Launched in May 2025, it lets you layer powerhouse teams like Smart Agent Alliance and the Wolfpack into your business without abandoning your current position. Now you can promote professional systems, live calls, training libraries, and funnels that actually convert. How co-sponsorship unlocks success. So why does co-sponsorship work so well? Because it gives you both halves of the revenue share equation: professional attraction plus proven agent development. Instead of winging presentations, you direct prospects to branded funnels, webinars, and leadership calls. Instead of babysitting every new recruit, you plug them into Social Agent Academy Pro, AI Agent Accelerator, weekly masterminds, and a whole bunch of other bundles. Your recruits aren't just names on a list, they're producers with a system behind them. That means your revenue share isn't a gamble. It's a machine, and that machine scales a lot faster than you pushing lemonade from a card table while the competition runs Starbucks franchises. Why this matters. Fixing a bad sponsor for revenue share used to mean walking away from eXp entirely. Not anymore. Co-sponsorship gives you a way out without burning your downline, and you'll also get that 4,000 fast start bonus and 7 levels of revenue share for your new downline. And what you get with Smart Agent Alliance on day 1, dual sponsorship, passive income systems, top coaching, real community, marketing assets, referral network. Smart Agent Alliance's focus is creating done-for-you systems, so you don't have to sit through another training just to implement something. You stay focused on production while we handle the heavy lifting, all at no extra cost. And guess what? Bring in enough agents and you'll get all our team value for your personal use too. Now that's pretty good frosting on the revenue share cake. For more details, check out our full blog, Can You Fix a Bad Sponsor for Revenue Share? The link is in the description. If you want my direct help for free, check the links below and set up a call so we can chat about how to scale your business without repeating sponsor regrets. And there should be more videos above me right now so you can learn more about eXp and our sponsor team. Thank you for watching and have a great day.